Good day, I'm Richard Espalma.
My name is Billy Joe B. Eloiso.
I am Rubana Estoleta.
And in this video, we're going to demo our mobile booking system for the Rodasco. And I'm the one who will be demo the mobile app, and my other group mates will discuss the other information regarding our mobile app. So let's go. So ito po yung interface. Pagbukas mo po is ito agad yung bubungad sa'yo, which is the login form. Meron pong itong tatlong users. So the admin, the driver, and the passenger. So the driver is also a side of the admin. So parang siya po yung staff ni admin. So karamihan po ng magiging function ni admin is na kay driver. So ang kay admin lang po is mag-view lang siya, and add driver, siya po yung mag-a-add ng driver. And yun po, and the other function is for viewing lang po. Can view the users and the drivers and all the transactions po ni drivers. And this time is ipapakita po muna namin yung kay passengers, the transaction for passengers and the drivers. So kapag hindi ka pa po nakaka-create ng account, so click lang po natin itong not yet registered, sign up. Yan po.
These modules handles user authentications, allowing passengers to create an account, securely log in, and manage their profiles. Users can select their desired username and password, which must be a minimum of 8 characters and include combinations of letters and numbers to ensure security. These modules also personalize the user's experience by securely storing booking history.
So ayan na po, ito agad yung bubungad sa atin. Ayan po. So makikita po natin yung Rodasco schedule. Ito po yung mga available schedules niya. Meron time, date, departure time, date, then yung destination. So select lang po tayo dito kung anong afford natin. So ito po, Monday, October 28. Yan. So yan, kita dito sa booking details po, makikita natin yung sinelect natin. Kita yung driver, plate number, yung email nila, phone number nila, and yung available seat nila ng drivers po sa sasakyan niya. So click natin itong seat.
Seat selection module. These modules allows passengers to browse available seats in the vans and select their desired option for booking. Passengers can view a layout of the van with seats highlighted in different colors. To indicate availability, they can choose seat based on preference such as window or aisle seats, and specify the number of seats needed for their journey. So, booking management module. This module enables passengers to manage their bookings efficiently. Passengers can view a summary of their bookings, including details such as pick, drop-off, location, date, time, and selected seats. They can also modify or cancel bookings within specified time frames, providing flexibility and convenience. And the payment processing module. This module handles the payment process, allowing passengers to review their bookings comprehensively before proceeding with payment. It offers secure payment options such as GCash or cash, ensuring a smooth and seamless transaction experience. After completing a booking and payment, passengers will be notified and if their booking is confirmed. This module generates a booking confirmation and digital ticket for them. Passengers receive notification containing their booking details and e-tickets. which they can present during boarding for verification.
The feedback and rating modules allows passenger to provide feedback on their booking experience and rate the quality of van services. It promotes transparency and accountability, enabling continuous improvement based on passengers' feedback.
Driver Tracker Module. This module enables the passenger to monitor the driver. The passenger can track the driver current location.
The message module. This module facilitates direct communication between passenger and driver, allowing for their updates.
So ngayon naman po is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kay admin po, or how admin views the transactions and add drivers. So login po natin yung account ni admin. Yan. So as you can see po is ito yung dashboard ni admin, and then makikita niya po yung total drivers and total customers or passengers. So dito po is yung mga recent bookings, pending bookings, current bookings, and canceled bookings. So sa recent bookings is dito po papasok yung mga bagong book lang po. So ito po yung check natin. So yung book, kumbaga yung bagong books lang po, kakabook lang. And then sa pending bookings is dito papasok yung under review, yung nire-review pa ni driver. And then sa current bookings is yung mga past book, yan yung mga na-book na, or ibig sabihin is completed na po yung booking. And then yung mga canceled bookings is dito naman po siya papasok. Ayan. So yan. So makikita ni admin yung mga users. Ayan po yung mga users. Ayan. Ayan. So ito yung account natin. Ayan, makikita ni driver yan. Yung account natin. So kay driver naman po, ayan, makikita niya yung mga drivers niya. And then mabibview niya yung mga naging past bookings niya. Like this, ito po. Ito yung mga, so siya pa lang, tayo pa lang yung kaka-create na account pa lang natin yung mga nailagay dyan. Yan, so ito po yung kanina. Yan pa lang po yung mga sa book niya, mga nag-book sa kanya. Yan, yung mga past bookings niya. Then dun sa iba ay wala pa. Ayan, ito yung bago lang, yung isa naman. So nag-book lang din tayo kanina. Ayan po. So ito is wala pa, hindi pa tayo nakapag-book sa kanya. Ayan. Then yun nga po, sabi ko rin kanina is siya yung nag-a-add ng driver. So try po natin mag-add ng driver. For example, lang. So email, ayan. So as you can see po, driver added successfully, then okay, and then ayan, kita na natin yung in-add po natin na driver. Yan, si Lebron. So ang isa pa siyang function pa is yung feedback. Ayan, so makita natin feedback. And so ayan yung feedback natin kanina, okay naman po ang process. Then yung date, so yun lang, ngayon lang din, 3. Ayan, so ayan po yung feedback niya. And ayan po lang yung function niya ni admin. So add ng driver view, ayan po ang function niya. So that's the mobile booking system, mobile app booking system. And again, Good day po.